how to set a default background image for video call effects on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. After that, we scroll down and tap on Video Effects. Tap on the left-hand side panel. Then go down and tap on Background Image. Tap on the Add button. From here, in your gallery settings, select an image that you would like to use. Then tap on Done. And that's it. And then after that, you can select the image that you want to use. So here, I will select the image that I have just added as a background image. And finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now during a video calls, you can then turn on video effects and select the background image. It should apply by default. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.